my Bengals, today I need you to go find something that are two different colors or two different items. That's going to help us learn the differences a little bit better between our right hand and our left hand. So, today you're going to hear me talk about my right and my left and which one to use in my different drumming patterns. So in your house, you could find two different pool noodles. That's what I did. Or you could find two different colored markers, maybe a spoon and then a fork, so you know that they're two different items. And when you have your two different colors or your two different items, would you please practice hot dog position? That's when we put our items together. We don't touch our face with it. That's weird. And it's not making any sound. It is our still hot dog sound. But today we're going to continue practicing our strength in our right hand and working up that left hand. So would you repeat my pattern after me? With my right hand, I am going to play 8 times on my knee. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm going to switch, and with my left hand, I'm going to do the same, trying to match the same sound and the same strength. Let's see if we can do it. Ready, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try it again with right hand, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Switch it left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Switch it back, and 1, 2, switch it now. 1, 2, switch it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Last time. Now left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Are you alternating your arms? Alternate the arms. Alternate the arms and hot dog go. In my song today, not only do you have to follow Miss Mars's steady beat, you also have to play this pattern with her. And the pattern, I'm going to make it easy on you at first. So let's see if you can start with your right hand, and you can repeat after me, starting with the right hand. We're going to say ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, but we're going to alternate our hands. So it'll be ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Try that on your legs. Here we go. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. My left hand should be up. My right hand should still be down. Let's see if you can do it with ti, 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 ta. Starting with the right hand. Here we go. Ti, 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 ta. Do it again, and here we go. Ti, 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 ta. Too easy, I know. Let's make it harder. I'm going to use 4 short sounds this time. It's going to go a little bit faster, but I still want to make sure that the way I am playing with my pool noodles matches what I am saying with my mouth. So listen. Tippy, tippy, tee, 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 ta. Right hand goes first. Here we go. Tippy, tippy, tee, 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 ta. One more time. Start. Right hand go. Tippy, tippy, tee, 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 ta. So even though our tippy tippies are a little bit faster, I'm not going to get too crazy with my drums. Yeah, we don't want that. We want to match what we are saying. So let's try it again with Miss Mars and tippy tippy go. Tippy tippy tee 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 ta. Very nice. Now in my song today, I have a little surprise. We are going to become Kung Fu Masters. And all you have to do is watch and do whatever silly thing Miss Mars does with her right and left hands. So let's see if you can follow along and stay with Miss Mars. With your right hand, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now switch it left. Back to right. Now your left. Can you alternate? tippy tee 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 ta. Tippy tippy tee 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 ta. And right. Tippy tippy tee 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 ta. Again. Tippy tippy tee 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 ta. Last time. Tippy tippy tee 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 ta. Down, up, and up, down, and up, and up, down, up, and up. Here we go, hot dog. Tippy tippy tee 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 ta. Tippy tippy tee 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 ta. Left, right, ready, go. Tippy tippy tee 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 ta. Start with your right hand again. Tippy tippy tee 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 ta. Right hand one more time. Tippy tippy tee 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 ta. Yeah, whoa, ha, yeah, ha, ha, oh. Tippy tippy. Tippy tippy tee 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 ta. Again. Tippy tippy tee 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 ta. Tippy tippy tee 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 ta. Last time. Tippy tippy tee 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 ta. Right. Now left. Now right. Now left. Let's do 4 on each. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 2, 3, 4. Right. 2, 3, 4. Left. 2, 3, 4. Now disappear. Good job, Kung Fu Masters. Were you able to stay with Miss Mars and her fast tippy tippies today? Well, we're going to have more tippy tippies coming at you, so good luck. Hope you are nice and warmed up after your Kung Fu fighting match. I'll see you next time.